Now for our feature story of the day, I'm going to be sharing 3 signs Bitcoin's parabolic phase with a $250,000 price target is about to begin. That's right. Let's break this baby down. Check it. Bitcoin's price has climbed 55% thus far in 2024, including 12.5% gains thus far in October. You ain't seen nothing yet. Its recent increases have been fueled by an overall improving risk-on sentiment, led by better than expected Wall Street earnings. Give it up for Wall Street, family. Additionally, investors are increasingly pricing in potential Federal Reserve rate cuts in November, with pro-crypto Trump rising odds of winning the 2024 presidential election on November 5th, furthering the optimism, and the crowd is going wild. Fundamentally, Bitcoin appears well positioned to enter the bull run cycle for the remainder of the year and beyond. Meanwhile, certain technical on-chain indicators suggest a similar upside outlook. So let's discuss some of these bullish targets, shall we? The first signs of Bitcoin entering a new bull cycle come from its 2-month logarithmic chart, which independent market analyst Koosh shared on X. Let's get some Koosh or Kush, whatever you guys call it nowadays. The chart marks Bitcoin's historical bullish phases, such as the 60x increase from around 2011, a 20x increase in 2017, and a 6x increase during the 2020-2021 bull run. These phases follow a pattern in which Bitcoin's price first consolidates before a big, almost vertical rally occurs. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? And as of October 2024, Bitcoin was exhibiting signs of breaking out of its prolonged consolidation phase, which often signals the start of the bull run within a parabolic channel marked by 2 red dashed lines. Now, market analyst Ted Pillows echoed the sentiment, highlighting a similar breakdown from the Bitcoin consolidation channel as outlined right here. I mean, the charts don't lie, brothers. Now, he argues that Bitcoin's parabolic phase has started, aligning with historical patterns of rapid price acceleration. And he says that the fractal predicts that Bitcoin will rise above 100,000 in 2025 and 250,000. That's 250 G's, baby, in the long term. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analyst. And now, another bullish sign. That's right. There's more. Bitcoin comes from its on-chain data tracking whale activity on the spot exchanges. Check this. The exchange whale ratio, represented by the 30-day moving average, currently mirrors patterns last observed in the 2020 Novid crash. In that instance, whales aggressively accumulated the biddy, which preceded the massive bull that took Bitcoin to new all-time highs by the end of 2021. I believe the precise day of the all-time high breakout of the cycle was November 10th of 2021. I remember it like it was yesterday. Why? Because I stream every damn day. 365 days out of the year. I remember it all. But anyways, as of October, a similar whale accumulation pattern is suggesting that the large hodlers are positioning themselves for potential price gains, according to crypto quant analysts noting. The whales, could be positioning themselves to benefit from the potential long-term price increase after the next Bitcoin halving, and I'll double down on that, because absolutely the whales are positioning themselves. The whales equal the smart money. Smart money knows the timing of the cycles. I mean, it's like deja vu, family. We're on the 4th halving cycle. We had one in 2012, 2016, 2020, and we just had one this year in April of 2024. And year of the halving, Q4, typically 88% price increase, and then the following years when we typically hit the cycle peak. Now, if we have another 20x increase or only a 4x increase, either way you slice it, we're looking at 6 figures, family. Now let's discuss the stablecoin dominance declining, which is the third indicator focusing on the stable dominance. Market analyst Dr. Magic, tell me the truth, Doc, points out that the dominance of the stables like USDT, USDC, and DAI have steadily declined since mid-2024. Want to know why? Because people are putting their money in Bitcoin. You put it in a stable, it's always going to be equivalent to the US dollar, which is losing money due to the inflation. Money printer go purr. You remember that? Sailor broke it down. He's like, those who save in fiat currency, what do we call them, folks? It's like saving a melting ice cube in the hot Sahara Desert, or up here in Puerto Rico where it's hot as hell. Makes no sense. You put it in the biddy, you get to actually enjoy the price appreciation as your purchasing power will go up against the dollar. It's mathematically guaranteed. And I can still hear the gong resonance in my brain right now. It's freaking phenomenal. Historically, when the capital starts to rotate out of the stables, it has been a precursor to a massive price increase across the top ranking cryptos, including the Biddy, as outlined here. And let's not forget the supply shock. We're at the lowest level of the Bitcoin supply on the exchanges in the past freaking like 4, 5, 10,000 years. And maybe I exaggerate a little bit, but that's okay. I back it up. In other words, the decline in the stable dominance suggests investors anticipate Bitcoin to appreciate in value versus the US dollar. Exactly my sentiment. You already know. I ain't got to go any deeper on that. But let me know your thoughts surrounding the $250,000 Biddy family. Can you see it happen? Can you smell what the rock is cooking? Can you smell where the Bitcoin price action is about to go, where no man has gone before? Let me know in the comments, and welcome everyone to the live stream Q&A segment of the live. And let's not forget about that poll. Don't neglect the poll. Respect the pump and trump it up. It seems some Bitcoin area have lost their way. It looks like the Bitcoin is getting pegged to the presidential candidates, financial institutions, and such. Trust thy Biddy. We need the essence of the Bitcoiners back, says Mexico Huddle. The essence has always been here. The essence shall forever live. The essence is eternal. Bitcoin is like a soul. It cannot be destroyed. Anyways, 90,000 plus, send it. Let's motherfucking go. Welcome everyone to the live stream. I see we got 1,500 people here. We're going to go ahead and end the poll in the tube. I asked the question, before the stream started. Simple question. What do you think the cycle peak will be? We're going to go ahead and end it for this year, that is. I'm going to go ahead and end the poll. And I'm going to read the results, and then we're going to switch out to the uncensored extended version of the pod. And we're going to get crack-a-lackin'. Here we go. Q4 Bitcoin price peak. 47% of you said 90,000 plus. 23% of you say between 80, 89,000. 15% say between 75, 79. And 13% say between 69 and $74,000. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to continue with the uncensored extended version of the pod. If you're on the YouTube, you ain't got to go home, but you got to get the hell out of here.